Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use maps on your Garmin Forerunner 255. To begin, simply press the up button from your watch face to access the map. You can then pan across the map using the up and down buttons. To zoom in or out, press the Start/Stop button, allowing you to adjust the view from a wide overview to a detailed street level. This makes navigating your surroundings straightforward and intuitive. Next, let's explore following a course. Before your activity, load a pre-planned route onto your watch. During your run or ride, the Forerunner 255 will provide clear, turn-by-turn directions right on the map. You'll see a distinct breadcrumb trail, helping you stay precisely on your intended path. This feature is incredibly useful for exploring new areas without getting lost, ensuring you always know where you are headed. Customizing your map settings can greatly enhance your experience. You can easily adjust the map orientation, choosing between north up or track up, depending on your preference. Furthermore, configure data fields to display crucial metrics like pace or distance directly alongside your map view. You can also enable or disable map details, such as points of interest, for a cleaner or more comprehensive display, tailoring it perfectly to your needs. Finally, let's look at some advanced map features. The Around Me function helps you discover nearby points of interest, like cafes or landmarks, within a radius of, say, 500 feet. You can also mark and save specific locations directly on your watch for future reference. Understanding the different map layers, such as topographical or street views, allows you to select the best visual for your current activity, making your navigation even more powerful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.